Hello and good afternoon, Laura and everyone over at Title Solutions Group. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I ran over into the New Richmond office yesterday. Just wanted to get to know you guys a little bit more, just get my name out there. And so I also told Laura that I wanted to create this custom video for you guys showing that, what we can do from a marketing standpoint or what we see maybe where you guys have some room for growth. So nevertheless, we'll jump right into it here. We got your guys' website pulled up. And it's a really good looking website. I see Seaver's Creative made it. Awesome. She does great work. I'm not going to diss the site too much, but one thing I have noticed that she does lack on a little bit is her SEO side of things. And we're really going to kind of dive base into that because, like I said, she does build good websites. So your guys' website is phenomenal. And for the most part, all of your guys' locations are ranking really, really well. But you never know. There might be another company that might be coming up. Maybe you guys aren't being found so much in the surrounding areas that you don't have a office in. I see you guys have an office in Oakdale, Red Wing, Cumberland, New Richmond, Menominee, and Ellsworth. So one thing we did was we actually took your guys' URL right here. We brought it into this tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a good idea of what you guys have for your backlinks, for your referring domains, and for your organic keywords, and roughly what you guys are getting for organic traffic right now. You guys have a good golden ratio right here. We can definitely get this URL rating up, and as well as this domain rating as well. We want to find more good keywords. You guys only have 122, and you're only getting about 250 traffic right now. So what I wanted to do to compare to you guys, since you guys are doing really well in most of your locations, is figure out how are you doing in a location like Hudson. So what I did was we actually searched title companies in Hudson, Wisconsin. And the first ones that pop up are Land Title, Burnett Title, Partners Title, Google Business Profile. You guys have one. It's right here. You guys have 24 reviews for your Richmond location. So you guys are outranking these guys like crazy. I would definitely include the fact that you guys service surrounding areas, so you're more likely to be found on all of these searches like this, especially in the Google Business portion, since I think you guys probably are the top dogs for title companies around us. But we wanted to compare. So somebody in Hudson, Wisconsin, what are they doing? Land Title. So we took them and we actually did the same thing. We took their URL and we put it in the Ahrefs as well. They don't have quite as good of a UR or DR. They have less backlinks and they have a little bit less organic keywords, but they're getting almost double. Oh, not double, but they're getting 120 some more organic traffic to their website just because of the backlinks that they have and their organic keywords that they have on their website. So one thing we want to do is we want to figure out what backlinks do they have that you guys don't have. We want to go out and get all of those. Then we want to go find all of good relevant backlinks that fit title companies that we can get you guys onto some Chamber of Commerce pages if you're not already. We want to go in and figure out every single one of these backlinks that they have that's doing good for them. Like these right here, these top few, these are awesome ones to have. If you guys don't have these, you need to get them on your site. Same thing with the keywords. We want to go over and review every single keyword that's on their site versus your site and all of your competitors to figure out what is the best keywords and the best backlinks to put into your guys' website to really keep you guys at the top. So not that you guys have done poorly at all. Definitely is still some room for improvement. There always is. And SEO is one of those things that as long as you don't stay on top of it, somebody might come up and flying past you who is willing to pay every single month to stay on top of it, to continually grow backlinks, to continually add keywords if at all possible. There's a few little tips and tricks to the trade that we can do. Something like this, if I were to save this image as, we want to make sure this is saved as a keyword. Let's see here. Experienced abstractors. So one thing we can do is we can figure it out. Is this a keyword that you guys have in your guys' site right now? We can go through here and we can figure it out. We can figure out every single one of the keywords that, abstract solutions, not abstractors, whatever it was. And we want to go and figure out all those little things. So we can keyword stuff a little bit to an extent. We can't do too heavy with it, but we can put all kinds of keywords all across your guys' website, backlinks, vice versa, all over it to really keep you guys boosted at the top and get all of the possible customers to your guys' website. So with that being said, I'm not going to touch base on our social media management. You guys probably are doing pretty well on that. If you guys would like me to, I'd be happy to as well. Give you a little bit of insight on what I see that needs to be done there. But nevertheless, I think you guys are doing an awesome job and just want to show you that there is still more to be done. and we'd be happy to help you and assist you with that. So, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you guys found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. That being said, hope you have a great day. Thanks.